Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we're going to talk about why your dishwasher might be making a loud humming noise and how to fix it. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. The most common reasons behind that humming noise in your dishwasher include a clogged drain pump. When the drain hose is blocked with debris, small crockery, or broken glass, water tries to force itself through the blockage. This strain causes a buzzing sound in the motor. To solve this, check and remove blockages. Also, make it a common practice to wash off dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. A defective motor. A malfunctioning motor will generate a hum sound as it operates. You must seek a repair technician who will repair or replace the motor. Worn out bearings. Bearings are used to minimize friction between moving parts. With time, they can wear out, leading to a humming sound as the parts grind together. This calls for a replacement. The other reason is low water pressure. As the dishwasher struggles to pump an adequate amount of water, it hums loudly. Ensure that you maintain a water pressure ranging from 20 to 120 psi or pounds per square inch for efficient operation. Water inlet valve issues. Inlet valves regulate the amount of water that flows into the dishwasher. Blockings from food debris or damages can create a humming sound as the dishwasher tries to be filled with water. You should clean the valves carefully or replace them if damaged. So, there you have it. These are the common causes of a loud humming noise in your dishwasher and how to address them. Thanks for watching. Till next time.